Living in Gilbert, Arizona, means enjoying the beauty of the desert, from stunning sunsets to a unique ecosystem. However, it also means facing the challenges of a desert climate characterized by scorching summers, chilly winters, and intense sunlight. For homeowners, managing these extreme temperature fluctuations and high energy costs can be daunting. Proper window insulation is a critical yet often overlooked solution that offers comfort, energy efficiency, and cost savings. Here's why investing in well-insulated windows is essential for Gilbert's desert climate. Combating extreme temperature variation. In Gilbert, summer temperatures regularly soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, while winter nights can dip into the 30s. These dramatic temperature swings can wreak havoc on indoor comfort if your windows are not properly insulated. Poorly insulated windows allow outdoor heat to penetrate your home during summer and let warm indoor air escape during winter. High-performance window insulation, such as double or triple pane glass, reduces the transfer of heat and cold through the window. These windows feature layers of glass separated by insulating gas fills, creating a thermal barrier that stabilizes indoor temperatures year-round. This means fewer hot spots in the summer and less chill near windows in the winter, making your home more comfortable in any season. Reducing energy bills. The desert climate places immense demands on HVAC systems, particularly during the summer. Air conditioning units often run non-stop to keep homes cool, leading to high energy consumption and skyrocketing utility bills. Poorly insulated windows exacerbate the problem by allowing heat to enter, forcing your cooling system to work harder. Properly insulated windows can significantly reduce energy usage. Advanced technologies, such as low emissivity, low-E coatings, reflect heat and UV rays away from your home. This keeps interiors cooler and reduces the strain on your air conditioner. Over time, the energy savings from lower utility bills can offset the upfront cost of upgrading your windows. Protecting your interior spaces. Gilbert's abundant sunshine is both a blessing and a challenge. While natural light enhances your living space, prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and decor. Without proper insulation, standard windows allow up to 75% of UV radiation to pass through, accelerating wear and tear on your home's interiors. Insulated windows with low-E coatings block up to 99% of harmful UV rays, preserving your belongings while still letting in natural light. This protection extends the life of your furnishings and helps maintain the aesthetic appeal of your home. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Although Gilbert is known for its peaceful neighborhoods, urban development and increasing traffic can bring unwanted noise into your home. Poorly insulated windows are a major culprit in allowing outside sounds to disrupt your indoor environment. High-quality insulated windows are designed to reduce noise pollution. The multi-layered glass and tight seals dampen sound vibrations, creating a quieter, more serene living space. Whether it's early morning traffic or nearby construction, insulated windows help you maintain a peaceful home environment. Enhancing home value. In a competitive housing market like Gilbert's, energy efficiency is a key selling point. Homes with energy-efficient features, including insulated windows, are more appealing to buyers. These windows not only enhance curb appeal with modern designs but also provide long-term savings, making your property more marketable. Investing in proper window insulation can yield a high return on investment (ROI). Energy-efficient upgrades, including insulated windows, often qualify for tax credits or rebates, adding further value to your home improvement efforts. Supporting sustainability. In addition to personal benefits, proper window insulation contributes to environmental sustainability. Reducing energy consumption lowers your carbon footprint, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. By investing in energy-efficient windows, Gilbert residents can take an active role in preserving the desert ecosystem they call home. Final thought. In Gilbert's desert climate, where extreme temperatures and intense sunlight are the norm, proper window insulation is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Insulated windows improve indoor comfort, lower energy bills, protect your interiors, and enhance your home's value, all while supporting sustainability. Upgrading your windows to include modern insulation technology is a smart investment that pays dividends in comfort, cost savings, and environmental impact. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, don't overlook the importance of properly insulated windows in creating a resilient and energy-efficient desert oasis.